It's a beach day today. Good morning, guys. First of all, it's mad early. It's like 9:30 to be honest, but I feel like I've been up since like 6. But today is a beach day. Me and my friends are like meeting up today, and we're going to the beach along with like me and Amber, who's my roommate, who's my best friend. But yeah, to start off the day right, we did Instacarting last night, and we just got like all the groceries. So they're just sitting here, and I'm about to put it away and probably like chill, and then eventually get ready. I think we're leaving at like between like 11 and 12, hopefully, because we're trying to get to the beach like soon. This beach, like we literally like discovered it, and it's like less than an hour away, and it's everything we wanted. We just needed like something hot, like a big. We just needed a beach that was nearby, and we literally found it, and I'm so happy about that. Let me put all this food away, and then I will see you guys soon. Okay, so I just put all those groceries away. I was literally sweating by the time it was done. But I did some like other little stuff, like feed my cat, do my laundry, and that went okay. That was fine. It took me like almost an hour to do all that, which was probably why I was so hot. But chilling, waiting for like everyone to wake up so we can start actually getting ready and go to the beach. So I'll see you guys when I start getting ready. Okay, I'm trying to like venture out with my shoes, like sandal wise, but these are just giving Kenyan Trailblazers 3000. Like, God. I am entirely kidding. I'm not gonna wear that. Yeah, I took like a quick shower before like I got dressed or anything. Everything's like messy laid out. I'm about to just put my swim trunks on and my top and just call it a day. I also need to do something about my hair because it's wild. It's too wild for me. I don't know if I should put this on or if I should do a little baggy. Honestly, it's like probably like really hot outside. I think it's like almost 80. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Probably, I think I'm gonna do this. And then like later, I'm gonna put this on. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. This is good. This is what it should look like. That's enough flexing. How are we feeling about this, folks? You know, it kind of gives off that mask film. Ooh. Ready for the beach. ready. The Crocs. All right. This is really that spot. We got our food all set up. If you don't know, you don't know. and have fun, okay? Yeah, don't judge. My hair looks a mess from getting on the beach yesterday, just don't ask. I'll catch you guys in the next video. It will be coming soon, don't know when, but just know it's coming. But I'll see you guys next time. Peace.